Welcome to StartSmart Money, your go-to channel for personal finance tips, online income hacks, and smart ways to build wealth from scratch. Right pointing finger emoji. In today's video, we're revealing 10 of the easiest ways to make money online in 2025. Perfect for beginners, no fancy skills, no big investments, and no fluff. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, what to prepare, and how much money you can potentially earn. Stick around, one of these methods might just be your next side hustle. Or even a full-time income. White check mark emoji. 1. Online surveys. 1. What to prepare, just a laptop or phone, PayPal account. 2. How to start, go to swagbucks.com, inboxdollars.com, or surveyjunkie.com. 3. Sign up for a free account using your email. 4. Complete your profile honestly to get more relevant surveys. 5. Check the dashboard daily and complete surveys that fit your profile. 6. Cash out via PayPal or gift cards when you reach the minimum threshold. 7. Earnings, $1, $5 per survey. Up to $200 per month with consistency. 8. Perfect for students, stay-at-home parents. 9. Not ideal for those looking for high income. White check mark emoji. 2. Selling print-on-demand merch. 1. What to prepare, free Canva account, Printify or Redbubble account. 2. How to start, create a free account on Redbubble, Printify, or Teespring. 3. Use canva.com to design simple graphics or text-based designs, funny quotes, trends, memes. 4. Upload your design to the Pod platform and place it on t-shirts, mugs, tote bags, etc. 5. Optimize your listing title, tags, and description for SEO. X. Funny Gym Cat t-shirt. 6. Share your product link on TikTok, Instagram, or Pinterest to attract traffic. 7. Earnings, $5, $50 per sale. 7. Potential to scale with TikTok marketing. 8. Perfect for creatives, meme lovers, niche trend followers. 9. Not ideal for people with zero patience for design tools. White check mark emoji. 3. Freelance writing. 1. What to prepare, Grammarly, Google Docs, Fiverr or Upwork profile. 2. How to start, set up a free account on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com. 3. Create a professional profile with a clear description of your writing services. 4. Offer services like blog writing, email copy, product descriptions, or social media captions. 5. Use Grammarly to polish your writing and create 2 to 3 writing samples using Google Docs. 6. Start applying for beginner-level jobs, and build a 5-star rating with small projects first. 7. Earnings, $25, $100 plus per article. 8. Perfect for good writers, fast typers. 9. Not ideal for people who hate writing. White check mark emoji. 4. YouTube faceless videos. 1. What to prepare, AI tools, like Pictory or Sora AI, scriptwriting help, like ChatGPT, Eyes emoji. 2. How to start, choose a niche, finance tips, story time, tech reviews, or top 10 facts. 3. Use ChatGPT to write your video script. 4. Use Sora AI or Pictory to turn your script into a faceless video using stock footage and voiceover. 5. Upload videos to YouTube consistently, 2 to 3 times/week. 6. Add relevant titles, tags, thumbnails, and descriptions optimized for YouTube SEO. 7. Earnings, $1, $20 per 1,000 views plus affiliate income. 8. Perfect for people who want passive income, don't want to show face. 9. Not ideal for impatient folks expecting overnight success. White check mark emoji. 5. Selling Notion templates or digital products. 1. What to prepare, Notion, Gumroad, simple landing page. 2. How to start, use Notion to create useful templates like habit trackers, budget planners, or student dashboards. 3. Export and package your template as a shareable link. 4. Create a free Gumroad account and list your product with screenshots and a description. 5. Promote your product on TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, or in productivity communities. 6. Automate delivery using Gumroad and start making passive income. 7. Earnings, $10 $100 per sale. 8. Perfect for organized minds, productivity nerds. 9. Not ideal for those who don't use digital tools at all. Six. Virtual assistant work. What to prepare, email, Zoom, calendar management skills. How to start, learn basic tools like Google Calendar, Zoom, Gmail, Trello. Set up a profile on Upwork, Fiverr, or onlinejobs.ph. Offer tasks like inbox management, scheduling, social media posting, or data entry. Create a simple portfolio or resume. You can use Canva. Apply to entry-level gigs and build trust through reliability and responsiveness. Earnings, $10 $40/hour. Perfect for organized multitaskers. Not ideal for people with unpredictable schedules. White check mark emoji. 7. Reselling on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. What to prepare, old stuff to sell, camera, shipping materials. How to start, go through your home and find unused items, books, gadgets, clothes. Take clear photos and write honest, keyword-rich descriptions. Create a seller account on eBay or list items directly on Facebook Marketplace. Set competitive prices and offer bundle deals to move items faster. When you get orders, pack securely and ship with tracking. Earnings, $100 $1,000/month depending on items. Perfect for deal hunters, people with clutter. Not ideal for those without storage space or shipping access. White check mark emoji. 8. Affiliate marketing, no website needed. What to prepare, free Bitly account, affiliate links from Amazon/ClickBank. How to start, join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or Impact.com. Choose products in a niche you're familiar with, fitness, tech, fashion. Create helpful or review style content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, or Reddit. Shorten affiliate links with Bitly and place them in your bio or comments. Drive traffic to your links by solving problems or sharing results, for example, how I lost 10 pounds with this. Earnings, $50 $500/month for starters, can scale massively. Perfect for social media users, marketers. Not ideal for those afraid of posting online. White check mark emoji. 9. Teaching English online. What to prepare, basic English fluency, Zoom, TEFL certificate, optional. How to start, sign up on platforms like Cambly, Italki, or Preply. Fill in your profile with a video intro and teaching bio. Choose your availability and hourly rate. Start accepting students and conduct lessons via Zoom or platform tools. Optional, take a short TEFL course for higher pay and more opportunities. Earnings, $10 $25/hour. Perfect for native or fluent speakers. Not ideal for people uncomfortable talking live. White check mark emoji. 10. Microtasks on Amazon mTurk. What to prepare, Amazon Mechanical Turk account, PayPal or US bank account. How to start, go to mturk.com and sign up as a worker, requires a US bank account. Browse available hits, human intelligence tasks, like surveys, data entry, audio transcriptions. Complete easy tasks to build your approval rating. Choose better paying tasks as your rating increases. Withdraw your earnings to your linked bank account. Earnings, $5 $50/day depending on time spent. Perfect for those who like quick wins. Not ideal for those looking for full-time income. Studio microphone emoji, voiceover. So let's recap the 10 easy ways to start making money online today. Online surveys, print on demand, freelance writing, faceless YouTube, Notion templates, virtual assistant, reselling, affiliate marketing, teaching English, Amazon mTurk tasks. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't need thousands of dollars. All you need is a little time, action, and consistency. Speech bubble emoji, drop a comment below. Which one are you going to try first? Push pin emoji, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who needs to start making money too. Fire emoji, stay tuned with StartSmart Money, where smart beginnings lead to strong financial futures.